Government High School, Vidyanagar Aake has secured 100% results at the recent SSC exams, and all the 39 students that have appeared have successfully passed the exams. The students of these schools are coming from a very economically backward background, and only it was possible with the dedication of all the teachers of the school. This is the only school in Salsette, only government school in Salsette having 100% result, and it is like with first attempt the students have managed to get this result. We have got, I'm Mrs. Regina Carvalho Dias, headmistress of the school. We have got the first ranker, Miss Komal Chavan, 82%. The second ranker is Mavil Sheikh, 75%. And Pooja Kumar Sahani, also 75%. Gulnaz Hussain, also with 75%. And Mohammad Miraj Ansari with 74%. So we have got 5 distinctions in the school.